Hello everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. One of our student got placed recently, he'll share his experience.
Hi, my name is Premkumar. I am from Dharmapuri, Tamil Nadu. I have done my graduation in BE Mechanical Engineering from SSN College of Engineering. Later, I joined to have the interest to work in IIT field. I joined PySpiders in June 2024, where I have gained skills on Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Django. And overall experience with PySpiders was good, and Python was taken by Vijay sir. His teaching was very good and very easy to understand. Along with that, I have taken SQL course, and SQL course was taken by Murali sir, and web development course was taken by Umashankar sir, and finally I have done Django course which was taken by Alex sir, and my overall experience was very good. And
Okay, here and what were you doing? What were your regular activities? So it's practiced.
Actually, bootcamp presentation helped me a lot to improve my communication, and mock interviews and then grooming sections helped me a lot to crack my interview. And that's it about this.
Congratulations. Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.